Hey guys, so we're gonna play.
Subway Surf.
Yeah, and I'm using the Tumi board,
I'm using the tank bot.
and I am using Boombot.
Okay, let's go.
You want to die? I mean, you want to get arrested
No.
and then restart because
No.
I want you to
No.
start together.
The tank bot looks very cool though. Like,
You know, right? There's the skin. You can actually get the skin by getting the totems.
nah.
Huh?
Nah, not interested in the skin.
Look at that! I found a totem. Actually, that is it's not a token. I mean, it's not a totem. It's a token. All of these are a token. All of the On the last video, I told you guys, and I'm gonna do one video each tour or place. But no, we'll do a couple. Look at this temple, though. It's nice.
Oh.
I have 330 hoverboards.
Oh my god. I thought you have 330 coins. How many coins do you have now?
Now, total
Uh-huh. No, there in the run.
100 and 120. Yeah.
I have 203.
You started way more than me.
No.
Yes, you did.
Didn't.
Have you got a jetpack?
No.
Hey, I got another token.
I need to.
Is the place the same? No, I don't think so. Right? What do you think? What it's gotta be after this one?
Paris.
I think it's gotta be Amsterdam.
Do you even know where Amsterdam is?
No, but I've watched videos about it.
Wow.
And guys, I die.
You're arrested?
Yeah. Oh, bro, why?
Oh no! Okay, I almost died. Right.
Want a jetpack? Okay, so yeah.
I finished the word.
And there is like the creator of this game is in Cybo TV. You know that, right?
No.
It's in YouTube too, so you can probably subscribe to him too.
No.
You should.
I will.
No, my viewers. I don't know what to call. Weirdos? Can we just call them weirdos?
No, they're not weird.
They are, because the second jetpack I found.
Why? I haven't even found one yet. He's running a bit way too fast, right?
Do you know this skin actually is one?
I died.
This not this guy actually. Who are
Hold up.
Tank Bot is actually a fan-made character. You probably know that.
I do.
Yeah, he's a fan-made character by a guy. I mean a girl that is a birthday of a girl, and the girl actually won what? I forgot what it's called.
Sword.
Yeah, a competition to make a character. So they said, and she won. And it's her birthday, so it's basically like a surprise of the birthday. But it's by Cybo TV. That's cool.
I'm gonna buy a character.
Buy a
Carlos.
character. You have the money now?
No, there's no Carlos
Yeah.
anymore. What the flip? There's no more Carlos?
No, it's pretty hard to find actually.
No, Carlos is not here anymore.
I'm just gonna help you. Oh yeah, actually. Well, this is open.
Jesus. Try to call it.
Yeah, I know, right? It's such a waste of money sometimes. I mean, a time. But you have so many. You can get arrested a lot of times.
I don't want to.
Like me. And she is.
I'm going to buy king.
She used to want her.
Okay, now I have king and I have only 12,000.
12,000. I still have way less than you. How much do I have actually? I think I have like, okay, 2,000. I can buy so many more. And I can buy one more, so boom. There you go. I have 334 hoverboards now. That's crazy.
300 and what?
334.
I don't even have 100 and I'm not gonna get more.
You have so many monies, why you never spend it?
I did only king.
Yeah, but he's fat.
And he's buff.
He's not buff, he's like you.
He's chubby.
Cute chubby, right?
Yeah.
He got arrested.
Yeah.
But you have a lot of keys, so you can revive yourself
I don't want
trillions and
to.
trillions
I
of
don't
times.
want
What are you
I'm
playing?
trying to get Miss Maya.
Miss Ma. Oh yeah. You won 100, huh?
By watching ads.
That's normal.
Peace.
I revived myself from getting arrested. It's by that. So in every ad I watch, I'm gonna pause it because like, bruh, it's so weird. Yeah, so they can see the ad and they're gonna say I'm sponsored, but no,
You're not.
I didn't want to be sponsored. If it's sponsored by myself, it's fine.
Huh? How can you sponsor yourself, Mike?
I've been doing that. I am making the video, so I'm basically sponsoring myself, if you understand. You probably don't. There's only 4 more minutes, bruh. Okay,
So what?
4 more minutes for this video to end. So I'm gonna pause right now to get for like 5,000, 500,000. So yeah, good. So I died for a lot of times now. Watching another ad. Why I don't like ads. I don't like ads. I've been watching it for the past 100 trillion billion what the flip billion years. Not have done that. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna be done at 10. Of course. We're not gonna be done at a while because okay, bye-bye guys. So yeah, I know this video is very random and very fast. I just want to play and do stuff. But yeah, hopefully this entertains you guys. Hopefully this video makes your guys' day is better. So yeah, bye-bye.